Is meme coin dog go to the moon gonna hit $1 this bull run? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at meme project DogGoToMoon, which has been a popular meme coin project that's taken over the space, and the devs have a plan to get this puppy up to $1. Before starting the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay to the latest and greatest crypto news. Now let's jump right into it, and remember, like always, not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence. Got to get that out of the way. Guys, we can see the overall crypto market is doing absolutely phenomenal, up 2.5% on the day and 4% in terms of volume. Fear and greed index at a 65, which is not too shabby. A lot of exciting things in the mix. First of all, Bitcoin currently broke $71,000 and it's holding its position with upward trajectory, which is absolutely insane. I was taking a look at our dedicated Bitcoin video today. We see Bitcoin weekly trend plus RSI, $90,000 next. Textbook parabolic trends are continuing, and we can see some vertical price action in place. Guys, literally textbook examples. We see all the basing periods are scaled out with that $90,000 target, which is insane, and we know what that's going to do with the meme coins. Even DogGoToMoon is doing some impressive things with almost $1 billion market cap. Is this gem gonna hit $1? We're gonna talk about it in just a second. Before we do that, I want to highlight a pre-sale gem, guys, that were mega early. It's the first phase of the pre-sale, guys. They've raised less than $300,000. You're not gonna want to miss out this gem. Not only do you not want to miss out, you're gonna be able to get in super early if you buy now with our link in the description below. The next price increase is in 6 days and 2 hours at the time of filming this video. One dog equals 0.04 cents USD. They raised less than $200,000. It's a multi-chain token with the Top Gun style mixed with pretty much all the meme coins and our favorite Doge/Shiba Inu, which is insane. So about designed for those who crave adventure and innovation, Base Dogs is bringing you a unique multi-chain experience on the home base chain. Dogs will also be traded on ETH, Sol, BSC, and AVAX. We're not about pushing boundaries, we're about breaking them. Guys, we've seen with Dogeverse, a multi-chain traveling Doge absolute crushed it. And now this base token that's also multi-chain could crush it as well. Remember, Dogeverse raised $15 million in its first 6 to 8 weeks. Imagine if this project also raises $15 million. Getting in right now at the early pre-sale price would be locking in a solid price. We see the tokenomics. Dogs tokenomics is mainly a landing zone on base. And we can see pre-sale 20%, staking 20%, liquidity 20%, marketing 15%, dogs reward 15%, and listing 10%. They have a solid roadmap in place, guys. They're going to have airdrops for being social. Also, looks like they have a refer a friend to earn projects as well, so you get 10% of their purchase in USDT. So if you buy it and show it to your friends or show on any community, you could be making money off this, right? So between the tokenomics, the roadmap, the staking, this price is looking absolutely phenomenal. If you want to load up, link in the description below. But back to DogGoToMoon. It's interesting, so as we research on this project, they don't necessarily have a dedicated website just yet. It's not like a official meme coin. However, it's been absolutely crushing the meme coin space. We see on the top meme coins, it's holding a decent position around top 10. I think exactly at top 10 with an $879 million market cap. It's about to flip Book of Meme, which is insane. And again, if to the best of my knowledge, no massive exchange listings just yet. Yeah, nothing big yet just yet. So if we get that Binance listing, this would go absolutely parabolic. So let's take a deep dive. So Dog has pumped heavily as I predict. My target 3 got hit. I closed Dog swing trade. I closed my dog swing trade here, and we see he kind of put out the chart where he entered and where he exited and how much more it's pumping. Now, devs also have a plan to get this puppy to $1. We can see dog to $1 plan. Phase 1, crypto native degens send dog high enough to put it on the radar of the normies. Phase 2, normies mass adopt feedback loop kicks in because of dog's cuteness. Phase 3, installation adoption once they realize that dog is a leverage position on BTC, because yes, it's on the Bitcoin runes, which is pretty dope. It's nice. It's a nice refreshing. So it's not on Solana, it's not on Base, it's on Bitcoin runes, which is absolutely insane. Their Twitter feed is great as well, guys. A lot of news about that project, a lot of action going on as well, with over 225,000 followers. I guess the rune master is here to build a dog and bring dog to $1. Again, guys, currently less than 1 cent, about to break 1 cent, might even hit 1 cent at the time of posting this video. Can we see it hit 100x? Can we see this token go to $1? If so, there's gonna be a massive bag for you and I if we load up on this project. A bunch of exciting things happening in the crypto market right now, guys. Between the meme coins absolutely pumping, between Bitcoin pumping, potentially hitting 6 figures this bull run, this is absolutely insane. You're not gonna want to miss out on any of the crypto news, so smash the subscribe button down below. Again, also Base Dogs, big shout out to this pre-sale gem that's literally just went live a couple of days ago. You're not gonna want to miss out on it, guys. Clean website, clean project. We're anticipating to see this one also at $15 million in just a pre-sale alone. You might want to load up, link in the description below. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.